Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into Publix. It is October the 5th, 2022. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell to know about all of my upcoming deals. Also join me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm really excited about these deals because we have so many stock up prices and everything is digital, so you're not using any paper coupons whatsoever. There's also a printable breakdown that you can see in the description box. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone and take that in the store with you so you don't have to write anything down. All right, guys, we're going to get started with all these stock up prices at Publix. Now is the time to go in there and get the things that you need for the winter. The first great deal we have at Publix this week is the Swanson chicken broth. These are going to be $1.65 each. No coupons needed. So these are buy one, get one free. You're going to be saving $3.29 on these. I think this is a great stock up deal. So you can get the beef or the chicken broth for just $1.65 each. This is something that my husband and I talk about all the time because he cooks with chicken broth often and he's constantly buying it at a much higher price, and I'm like, no, don't do that because I got it on sale for $1.65 at Publix. So make sure you stock up. I went ahead and picked up 5 containers of this chicken broth. So we never get deals on this and we never have coupons on this, so I was really excited to just stock up on these panko breadcrumbs because we use these to fry chicken, pork chops, shrimp, all kinds of things. But as the holidays are coming up, I'll be using this for all kinds of casseroles that I make. So these are usually $2.19 each, but they're buy one, get one free. So I got these just for $1.10. Great stock up price. I went ahead and bought 4 of these today just because. The next no coupons needed deal are on these Idahoan potatoes. I picked up the buttery home style. That is our favorite. These are usually $1.31 each, but they are a BOGO right now. So there will be 66 cents each. No coupons needed for this. And this is just great to have in the pantry if you forget some sides, or you're making a casserole and you need something like this to go in the casserole. So just 66 cents. I went ahead and grabbed that whole entire box that you see there in the picture. As I started shopping, I noticed that a lot of things in my cart were items to make chili, and I always make black bean chili. So I was like, it's getting colder outside. I'll go ahead and get the ingredients, and everything I got was either on sale or I had some type of coupon for it. So these Publix black beans are on sale for 97 cents. You're going to save 12 cents for the black beans. So I was really excited about that. So I went ahead and picked up a couple of cans to make us a pot of chili this week. We do have some tailgating coming up for football season, so I thought I'd go ahead and pick up some of this Rotel. These are usually $1.39 each, but they're buy one, get one free this week, making each can of Rotel about 70 cents each. That's a really great deal, and we never get coupons for stuff like this, so make sure you stock up on things that we don't get coupons for, and you definitely can use in soups and stews and different dips as the holiday season and the winter months are approaching us. To go along with my pot of chili, I picked up some cans of Hunt's Petite Diced Tomatoes, Hunt's sauce, and some Hunt's paste. They were all $1.39, but they're BOGO this week. So each can is just 70 cents. This is even cheaper than the Publix brand, so I was really excited about that. I did pick it up to make my pot of chili, but I also got some extra just for if I'm making some kind of soup, or I like to make stewed tomatoes with rice underneath it. That's one of my favorite dishes. So 70 cents for the Hunt's tomatoes. You do not need a coupon. Go ahead and stock up. Now, I've never had these little Dutch-made saltine crackers before. They are $1.39, but they were cheaper than the regular crackers that we usually buy for the chili. So I want to try it out and see if my kids will like it, enjoy it. Hopefully they won't see the difference, but these were on sale for $1.39. I found these on the end cap actually. So another item to go along with our chili dinner for this week. All right, if you've ever seen me in my other videos for CVS, you know that cereal is a must in my house. My daughter eats a box or two every week. So these are just $1.23 using a Publix digital coupon, a really great coupon. So these are usually $5.79. Cereal is not cheap at all, but they're buy one, get one free right now. So it's like paying $2.90 per box. You're going to pick up 3 boxes at $2.90 each. The total is going to be $8.70. We're going to use this amazing $5 digital coupon when you buy 3 boxes, making these just $3.70 or about $1.23 each with just using your phone with that digital coupon. Great deal. I'm always looking out for great meat deals, and this is something I can stick in the freezer for a cold day, and we can just have for later. But I'm excited about these because I've never had the Greenwise brand of the shrimp. I always buy the Greenwise chicken and the hamburger meat, that sort of thing, but never the shrimp. So I was excited because these are sustainably sourced. And I always get the raw, peeled, and divine ones. Now, usually when I get the large shrimp like this, it's about $12.99. But because these are Greenwise, they are a little bit more expensive, and they were $14.99. But that's a good deal. It's like a $5 savings because they're $19.49 in the original, and then the savings is $14.99. So I definitely picked up this shrimp. To go along with our chili, we need some hamburger meat, and the ground chuck is what I usually like to buy. It is on sale for $4.49 a pound, so I picked up a pound of this for that chili. So I pretty much have everything I need to make my chili, except for the seasoning, but I already have a variety of chili seasonings and, you know, crushed red pepper and all that kind of thing in my cabinet. But yeah, ground beef, ground chuck is on sale this week for $4.49 a pound. Every time I see a Publix digital coupon for this milk, I pick it up. I always get these 75-cent coupons on the half gallon of the Publix milk. So this milk is $2.37 each. With this 75-cent coupon, it's going to make the milk $1.62. Of course, we don't get paper coupons for products like, you know, milk and veggies and, you know, meat. So whenever it's in the Publix digital, I always check it out. So $1.62, make sure you load that coupon. So I actually picked these up a couple weeks ago. These are the Chobani flips. And I wasn't sure if my kids would like it, and they actually loved it. So these Chobani flips are $5.89, but they're buy one, get one free. For that, it makes each one of these $2.95. But we have to buy 2 for this deal. So we're going to buy 2, and our total is going to be $5.90. Then we're going to submit to IBOTTA for $1.75 when you buy 2, bringing our cost down for both of them to $4.15 or about $2.08 each. Not a bad deal considering we're not using any paper coupons, and it did start at $5.89. Now, this is not anything to boast about because I usually buy bread for less than $1, but since we've been dealing with this recession, sometimes I get a loaf of bread for as much as $4. The Sara Lee Classic is something that we do like in our house, and they are 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. So might as well go ahead and pick this up today. Usually it would be about $3.49 each for a loaf, but $2.50, it's like $1 coupon on that if we really thought about it. I thought this would be a great stock up price, no coupons needed on the Peter Pan peanut butter. They're going to be just $1.53 after the BOGO. This item is something that food banks need all the time. They get so many canned goods, but they often ask for things like canned meat, peanut butter, any kind of protein like that. And this is definitely something you can pick up a bunch of these and donate to your local food bank. So $1.53 each for these. No coupons needed. It is a great deal on this peanut butter. All right, our very last deal, another great digital deal, are on these Purex Crystals. I actually like the blue ones. They are my favorite. So if you're going to pick up one of these, because it's buy one, get one free, it's only going to cost $2.40. We do have a $1.25 digital coupon, bringing these Purex Crystals down to $1.15. Amazing. I only use my phone, no paper coupons, just digitals. So that's a pretty great deal on the Purex Crystals. That is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Publix was a great haul this week. I didn't have a lot of coupons that I used, but that's okay because we got a lot of great deals and lots of things for our cabinet to stock up. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please smash that subscribe button. Click that notification bell to all and give my video a big thumbs up. Also, tell me what your favorite deal of the day was in the comments. I would love to hear it. And any deals I missed, please let me know because I'll be sure to go back to Publix this week. All right, guys, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.